Hey guys, what is going on? Today I'm going to show you how you can install cURL in your local machine and use it from command line. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's head over into curl.hex.se/download.html. Here you will find lot of options that may confuse you, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on cURL download wizard, and then I'm gonna select cURL executable, and then from the drop down option I'm gonna select Windows 64 because my system is in 64-bit and I'm using Windows 10, and then select, then check the generic version and select. Now some options has appeared here. Let's try the first one. Click on download. Now from there click cURL for 64-bit, and the file is downloading. It is 3.1 MB I guess, and it has been downloaded. Now let's put this file in a location where you want to put it. In my case I'm gonna put it in somewhere in software directory. So okay, let's navigate it. Okay, here it is. Now let's extract it here, and let's go inside there, and here you can see there is a bin folder, and inside the bin folder there is cURL.exe. okay, because we extracted it, that's why it created two folders. So let's go a folder down. Let's copy this one out and paste it here. Let's delete both of the files. We do not need this anymore. Now let's go into the bin folder. When you find cURL.exe, then copy the local URL and find for the environment variable from the search bar. Let's find the environment variable window. Here it is. Click on environment variables, then select path, and then just paste the URL that you have just copied and hit OK, and OK again. Now let's open the CMD. Here it is. Let's check the cURL version, and there it is. It is now using cURL, and we are using cURL version 7.55.1. and now let's check the cURL and try to fetch some content from some other API or some other external URL. So here it is. We can use loremipsum.net/API/5. Now what it does, it fetches or creates 5 paragraphs from this URL. So let's try that out. So let's copy the URL, and now let's try cURL, and let's paste the URL and hit enter, and here it is. It fetches the 5 paragraphs from the API. So there you have it. Now you can use cURL in your local machine to extract some data from the external URL. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest video. Thank you for watching.